Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from Kucoin to your crypto.com. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, while you're trying to transfer cryptos from your Kucoin to your crypto.com, you'll need to copy the wallet address of your crypto.com since we're transferring it to crypto. So for that, you need to log in into your crypto.com, then click on the transfer icon. After you tap on the transfer icon, a drop down menu appears. From there, you need to click on receive. After you click on receive, next interface, you need to select an asset, and after you're done selecting the asset, next interface, you need to copy down the wallet address. After you're done copying the wallet address, logged into your Kucoin account. After you're logged into your Kucoin account, you need to click on the wallet tab located in the top right corner. Next page, you need to select the asset that you want to transfer. So you'll have a list of options. You'll need to click on the transfer option, which will be right in the corner of your asset. As soon as you tap on the transfer option, next interface, you need to paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied. And then you also need to select the network type. In next interface, you'll need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. And then you need to click on confirm. As you click on confirm, once again there will be a confirmation, so you'll need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, click on confirm. And you've successfully transferred cryptos from your Kucoin to your crypto.com. And within 2 to 3 days later, you'll be able to receive notification on your crypto.com stating that the transaction has been completed. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from Kucoin to your crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.